Friends Minnies. Ready, set, build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minnies. Are you ready? Set, build! Hello there! The engines are very glad you're here. They have a super special job for you. To build them a fun-filled, action-packed world. Try placing Thomas on the tracks. Classic Thomas. A working engine is a happy engine. What's that? It's a golden gear. Extend your tracks so that Thomas can... The green shelf is where the basic tracks are stored. Try again. Place the block in the highlighted space. Good work! You found a golden gear. Do you see the surprise bag up there at the top of the screen? If you collect all the golden gears, you'll be able to open it.
Papa, tuna.
Oh, another golden gear has appeared. Don't forget to send an engine to pick it up. That looks great! One last gear will get you a surprise. With each golden gear, you get closer to a surprise. And who doesn't love surprises?
3.